All right, so this is a 3 memory groups timer. So essentially this is able to have 3 different timers running at the same time whenever you're cooking something. Not a lot on the outside of the box. Digital dual kitchen timers on the branding there on the side. Special thanks to the company for sending this to me. They wanted you guys to see an unboxing. Here's you an unboxing of it. So slide it right out of here. Nothing else in there. And so it comes with a little manual. Please take off the insulin film from batteries. So there's some film around the batteries, so we'll remove that real quick. Some nice little information here of exactly how you set your timers. That way you'll know how to use the product. Samshow. So it comes with a little wrist strap as well. That's cool. It's got some magnets here. I can show you with this. Magnets. And you can also clip it. So that's helpful. Looks like you have off and a lower volume and the max volume. And if we pull this out, we get to our batteries that are covered in protective film, as it said. So we can pop off this. And then we can actually put these back in here. There we go. Now it's ready to go. Slide our cover back on. You can hit timer 1 and then just put it for minutes, seconds. We're gonna do a 5-second timer and tell it to start. 2, 1. There we go. That's on the highest setting. Let me move it down 1. And let's do that again. Let's do timer 2 this time. We're gonna do 3 seconds. Start. All right, clear. And then we'll try it with no sound. Let's do timer 3 on this one. 3 seconds, start. So it'll just flash, clear. So I'll definitely use the highest setting up here and, you know, to get multiple timers going. So to get multiple timers going, you know, you'd hit, 1 hour here, start it. And then you can go to timer 2 and say you need, 2 minutes here, start it. And then you can go to timer 3 and, you need 10 minutes here, start it. And now you have 3 timers running at once. Now, if you need to clear them, you can select timer 3 and clear, select timer 2, clear, select timer 1 and clear. So there you go. There's a little showing of the Samshow 3 groups timer. Very nice product, multiple ways to mount it. Comes with the batteries you'll need. Perfect for the chef that needs more than 1 timer. So hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.